Hey, good morning. Mick Fields here at Toyota Melbourne. Hey, just wanted to dispel a couple of rumors about Toyota. A lot of folks say, hey, they're a Japanese company, they're made in Japan, but that couldn't be further from the truth. The Toyota Tacoma and the Tundra are made in San Antonio, Texas by U.S. workers. The Corolla is made in Mississippi. The Camry and the Avalon made in Georgetown, Kentucky. The Highlander is made in Princeton, Indiana. So if you're not buying a Toyota because you think it's a Japanese company and they're made in Japan, come on out to Toyota Melbourne. I'll show you. I'll let you test drive one. All of our new vehicles come with a lifetime powertrain warranty, factory floor mats. We take care of the maintenance for up to 4 years or 50,000 miles. Give me a call, 321-254-8888. I'm extension 360, and I'd love to help.